Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Refresh Patchwork logic block, a key feature for re-rendering your app's view to display the most current data and UI components. Consider an e-commerce app where the user's cart and product listings can change dynamically. After updating the cart or inventory, you might want to refresh the view to display the latest information. The Refresh Patchwork logic block can be triggered to re-render the app, showing the updated data without requiring a manual refresh. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the Refresh Patchwork logic block in your workflow. Drag the Refresh Patchwork logic block into your workflow. This block will be used to refresh the app's view when needed. Next, connect the logic block to an event from the view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the patchwork refresh. After connecting the logic block, set up toast messages to provide user feedback.